Satnam. I'm Adi Krishna. Welcome to Lighthouse Yoga Studio. And I am going to show you today how to do cat cow, Kundalini Yoga cat cow. Most yoga classes, any type of floor work, you're going to do cat cow at some point, right? We all are familiar with the tabletop position, hopefully. You're just bringing the knees in line with the hips, underneath the hips, 90-degree angle. And in most iterations of cat cow, you're going to have the feet parallel to one another into an 11, and the arms directly below the shoulders, the palms, you're pressing the heel of the palms and the fingertips into the floor, not dumping into the center. And this is a neutral spine position. I don't have anything arched or bowed, simply relaxed. So, cat cow, you inhale, this is cow. You drop the belly, you look up. Cat, exhale, suck the navel to the spine, arch the back up, press into the floor. That is your cat position, your Halloween cat. Inhale, open the heart, look up. Exhale, draw the belly in. Look at the navel, squeeze everything in and up. So that's typical cat cow. Kundalini cat cow, we bring the heels together so that when you push back your butt to your heels, you would be in a wide knee child's pose, okay? But you're not gonna be there yet. So you're here, this is neutral spine with the heels and toes pressed together, toes on the floor, okay? So you inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose, eyes are closed, focused at the third eye. In Kundalini cat cow, we go quickly. So, notice I'm not holding the breath. I'm not inhaling, pausing, exhaling, pausing. That's not Kundalini cat cow. Inhaling, exhaling, constantly moving the spine. You're using this movement, you're using the breath to pump the cerebral spinal fluid, to pump the lymphatic fluid, to pump the blood. Yes, your heart is pumping your blood, but you're also, by breathing like this and by moving like this, you're creating a rhythm to all of these fluids and into the respiratory system as well. And you're moving and triggering that Kundalini energy to move into the spine, to move up the center channel through the chakras. So this is a very invigorating, energizing, simple movement that most people can do. If you need to roll your wrist a few times, if you're doing this first thing in the morning, you might need to warm up your wrist a little bit. You might want to do it with your hands and fists. Some people find that is much easier to just make fists. Just make sure that you still have the right portions of your arm underneath your shoulders. It's a fluid, graceful movement, okay? So think of it as like a pump. Do not pause or hold the breath. Just keep moving, opening and closing, expanding and then contracting the spinal cord, the vertebra, and yeah, just creating this beautiful, beautiful energy and pressure. So let's go ahead and do it for a few minutes together. Eyes are closed, focused at the third eye. This is a very activating cat cow. Kundalini cat cow. Just gonna wait for the rhythm to start. Find a rhythm that works for you. You do not have to go to the rhythm of the music. This does have a nice strong beat. Use the breath. Keep going. And as your spine gets loose, you gotta be able to go a little faster. Just don't lose the integrity of the breath with the movement. Inhale, drop the belly, look up. Squeeze, rectum, organs, sex organs, navel point, everything in and up. Focus up the third eye, hold the breath in. Exhale into your arched back cat. Hold the breath out. Squeeze everything in and up. Inhale to neutral spine. Push the butt back to the heels, and then extend your arms. You can slide your fingers along the floor. Extend your arms out in front. Bring your forehead to the floor. Bring your palms together into prayer pose. Thumbs are up. Keep the pinkies on the floor. Your arms are stretched out in front of you. You're expanding the heart towards the floor, and you're letting all of that beautiful movement that you brought to your spine into the fluids of your body, oxygenating your cells. You're letting the oxygen, the blood, everything just go straight to your face, to your head, to your brain. You're bowing your head below your heart. This is a simple relaxation posture that is so powerful. You're bowing. You are bowing your head to your heart. You're opening up the heart to the earth. Your hands are in prayer out in front of you. Your torso is between your thighs. Your knees are wide. Your toes are together. Just relax. And come up to sitting, or not. You can stay there. And that is how we do Kundalini Cat Cow. Thank you.